Kosovo, Somali. Mugadishu, Somali. Ja, mit denen. Ja, mit denen.
Do Somalis speak Arabic? No, they speak Somali at first. Arabic is one of 2 official languages in the country. But of course, Somali people are proud of their Somali language.
I have the best view right now in all of Mugadishu. We met a girl, a doctor, she was 23 years old. She said, come with me. I said, okay. And this is the view.
Okay, you just saw the camera.
So did you guys have girlfriend, wives? You both visit. Yeah. You should meet the
Are you serious?
Yeah. This you can remember from the summer and you can remember this year.
Well, thank you so much, girls. And we hope everyone who sees this video that they will visit this clinic.
You have to get these products. I'm serious.
Yes.
Guys, it's time to leave Mugadishu here. Actually, I'm going tomorrow, so we're out here at night now. We got all this stuff.
What's the best thing you found in Somalia? That's a great question. I would say the people. The Somali people are very friendly, very hospitable. It's not like what you see in the Hollywood movies. People are real people, good people. 99% of the people are welcoming and thankful for visitors to come to Somalia. If they try to be positive, I'm a very positive guy no matter where I go. I don't like to talk bad about countries. Of course, I'll be honest and say my real opinion. But I was treated like a guest in Somalia, so that's the one thing I'll take with me, that the people were great. And the beaches were amazing, also Africa's longest coastline and amazing food, camel, etc. It was extraordinary.
Okay, guys, we are having camel in
Mugadishu.
Somalia. Okay, let's see. So let's try one bite now. If it's better than in Hargeisa. So here we have it. Let's try it. That is very good. Yummy.
Similar than lamb.
So guys, Somalia has the largest camel population in the world, and I also think they have the best tasting camel. So unreal.
Did you like the Somalian women? Of course, I think they have beautiful facial features and very sweet ladies. So yeah.
Okay, Mugadishu at night. Even at night, Mugadishu is a very vibrant city. We are walking around one of the main streets there. Got some beauty products by really friendly people. And whoa.
Can Somalia have a bright future ahead? Of course, I feel like we have seen the old Somalia from 1991 and now it's time for the new Somalia. It's time to see development. It's time for a prosperous future. That's my impression, that it's really going forward. We saw this new mosque that has arrived in the country. We saw a lot of people with an innovative entrepreneurial spirit. Like 50% of Somali people are entrepreneurs. So of course there's a lot of things going on, a lot of small businesses. So yeah, I can really only see Somalia move forward. I know they do a lot to improve their country. I think it will be a completely different Somalia we will see in 10 years from now. The Somali spirit is very strong. People who are proud of their country. I'm 100% sure that 10 years from now Somalia will look much better than it is today.
Oh my god, it's so good. $1. Wow. You know, in Seychelles, I was offered a coconut for $7. But here in Somalia, just $0.50.
What are the top 3 things you love the most in Somalia and Somali people? I would say the people, I would say the beaches and the food.
See, everyone is friendly here in Mugadishu. Stop believing all the bad things you hear about Somalia. Somalia deserves love. So I use this doing payment with the phone right now. See here in Somalia. That's so genius. Wow, okay. Thank you. Oh, really?
Thank you.
Okay, so paid by mobile in Somalia. It's actually a very technological adventure. You can pay with your mobile phone in Somalia. Oh, good.
What is their traditional food and which food did you like the most there? Camel is very common. Obviously, Somalia has the biggest camel population in the entire world, bigger than Egypt and many of these countries. I would also say camel is my favorite, but the fish is amazing in Somalia, like big tuna fish, lots of variety. So you have to try the fish, and also it's quite interesting to try rice with banana, which is a very common thing. Somali people, they love to have banana in every meal. They mix it with rice and these kind of things. You have to try a lot of the Somali food. It's very delicious. Honestly, I can't wait to eat it again.
Oh, look at him. Yeah. Woo! Yes, sir. Ipanema or Mugadishu beach. Woo!
Mogadishu.
Right. He's Brazilian. Yesterday, this beach was completely packed with people. The water was all the way up at the coast, and now it's low tide. We're out here. It's very slow. No waves. I think we have to do this in Mogadishu. Beautiful, it's safer than you think, and the people are really nice. So see you guys in Mugadishu, Somalia. Halas. Alright, we are going back to mainland now. We're leaving the water, the beautiful Copacabana water of Somalia. Take it out. Seychelles, go home. Maldives, go home. Mugadishu, the future holiday destination.
Wait, they quite doing that I'm not an Indian.
Alright. Okay, Vanna, how is the experience here?
Totally new experience. Like it. Very safe.
You feel safe?
I feel safe. More safe than I thought.
Ken, how is it to be an American in Somalia?
Well, I kept getting a lot of negativity from my friends, from family, from everybody I knew it, but I knew I had to come here. I knew it was beautiful. I know people from Somalia are very nice.
Hello everyone from Somalia. I'm standing on top of Mugadishu, the capital of Somalia. This is the easternmost country in all of Africa. Many people consider it to be one of the most dangerous countries in the world, and Mugadishu to be one of the most dangerous cities. But I'm here to show another side of this country.
Hello, I'm Mugadishu.
Welcome to Mugadishu. That you won't see from any other YouTubers. I'm here to talk with the locals in the streets. I'm here to meet a lot of the Somali people and to find out if there's another side of this city that we always see bad things about, whether it's Hollywood movies, whatever it is. Mogadishu is always portrayed to be extremely dangerous and unsafe, especially for visitors like me. And this is the view right now here of Mugadishu. Peaceful morning. Yesterday went to the beach, met a lot of the Somali people. What I can say with Somali people is I have amazing experiences with them. They have always treated me really, really nicely. Vanna, how is it to be here in Mogadishu?
It's beyond all my expectations. I didn't know that people would be this friendly, that it would be this safe. I love it, and I think that so far this is my favorite African city.
Yes. Okay, I'll face the best footballer in Somalia now. Pretty laid-back atmosphere here in Mugadishu, not what all these crazy YouTubers tell you. It's actually very enjoyable. Of course, you need to look out for yourself a bit, but it's really not that bad. City of Mugadishu, Somalia. What do you like about Somalia?
I like a lot. I went to the beach. They have a lot of beaches. The food here is good and looks really nice too.
Inside the pharmacy in Mugadishu, they literally have everything here. Alright guys, we made it to Mugadishu, Somalia. Amazing. Mugadishu. Mugadishu, let's go. Just Somalia thing? Good song. And the lighthouse in the background. El Capitano. Captain Dito. Alright guys, this is the Peace Garden here in Mugadishu. It's very peaceful. Now we're gonna check it out. You see families out with their kids here. So yeah, let's check out the Peace Garden in Mugadishu. Another side of Mugadishu.
Very nice.
Most wonderful. The side nobody will show you. People are very, very nice here in Mugadishu. This is the beautiful Somalia flag. My favorite flag in the world. Can you believe it? Alright guys, there's a football match here in Mugadishu. Can you believe it? So we'll see if these Somalis, they know how to play football.
I'm sure they will.
You remember in Syria also? Okay, I'm going to play with these Somali.
Oh, no way.
Somali guys. Guys, what happened?
We want Coca-Cola, but we didn't have money. We had dollars and they didn't want to accept it. And then
They turned down our money.
we got this for free. They gave us.
Somali hospitality?
Yes.
Amazing.
so good.
Unbelievable.
Mugadishu views at night.
Nobody would ever guess it's Mugadishu. Very good experience. Yeah, we are enjoying very much.
So far it's great. I'm enjoying everybody. Everybody's very friendly, very nice. Everything
Than you expected.
Yes, exceeded my expectations. So.
It's a great place. People are very nice. Nice weather as well, surprisingly. Great place.
It's very nice, very peaceful. I like it.
Look at Leon here, he's also enjoying it.
I'm absolutely enjoying it. Look at this. You won't find any place more beautiful right here. I agree. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. So stunning. And the sunset, the sun is going down here at 6 p.m. So we better enjoy it. It's the last hour here.
That's what we were doing.
Exakt.
Så det er min ven, vi prater svenska her i Mugadishu, Somalia.
Ja,
Du kommer fra Sverige?
jag kom från Sverige. Jag har varit där lite. Jag ska tillbaka om 20 dagar.
Ja.
Det var trevligt att träffa den här karln.
Ja, väldigt trevligt.
And how is the Coca-Cola in Somalia? Better in Somalia than anywhere else. I'll take a Somali Coke.
Look at this.
Somalia's beautiful capital, Mugadishu.
Oh my god, look at the color of the water. Paradise.
Come to Somalia, it's beautiful, it's safer than you think, and the people are really nice. So see you guys in Mugadishu, Somalia. Future holiday destination.